Welcome to the one stop shop to build your portfolio. If you have decided to make an art and design portfolio, congratulations for making the best decision of your life. Why? Because art and design opens you to so many more opportunities because it teaches you to be creative. And this creativity does not start when you start college. Instead, it starts right as soon as you start the application process. When you start making that portfolio all of these art schools ask for. The portfolio is the most important part of your application. Why? Because it shows universities who you are. When I was applying to all the top universities in the world for art and design, I had to make my portfolio too. And through the process, I learned that there were not enough resources. There were not enough places to look for, and there were not enough sites and places I could find clarity. Not enough places to know what exactly these universities wanted and just how to achieve the goal I had worked so hard for. So, when I did end up making my portfolio and getting into the top universities and getting a scholarship of cumulatively $100,000, I decided to share my knowledge. After working with students in South America, Vietnam, Thailand, and a few others, I realized that I had got more exposure and even more experience in getting this success. Disclaimer, such results are not guaranteed. While a lot of my students and people I worked with got more scholarships denied and grants which really helped them with their future, it's not a for sure thing. But what I can say is I can guarantee you results. The success of those results depends on you and how much hard work you put. So I would say get started. Your portfolio is so important, and I have put together everything you could possibly need. Let me give you one pro tip though. The best thing you can do for yourself and your portfolio is start investing. Investing in terms of knowledge, in terms of capital, in terms of resources, start investing. Only when you invest will you open yourself to the exposure of the world of art. And only once you have that exposure can you really show yourself in your artwork. Because remember that your portfolio is more than just artwork, it is an extension of you. It's supposed to speak of you and so much more to the art and design admissions officer. To create that, you need to have knowledge and inspiration. So, if you're ready and if you're for sure set in stone, prepared to start your portfolio and achieve this goal of getting into the top universities, like many of my students and applicants around the world, there's a link above or in the bio and description. Start my first level course today. It has everything you need. It tells you how to start, where to look, exactly the path that needs to be followed. Just so you have clarity, you're not wasting time, and you get and gain the success and the knowledge and the clarity that every applicant deserves. So, start working today. Don't waste time, don't overthink, don't procrastinate. Be the one that is above average. Be the portfolio that is not like the rest. Because that portfolio is what will get you into the best universities. This program and this course is going to help you learn how to think outside the box and how to be not what the universities are looking for, but what the universities need. So the admissions officer does not have to overthink your portfolio. So you are confident yourselves when you're sending these portfolios to universities. Start today, hit the link below, and start your work. Start your portfolio, start your journey to your dreams. I'll see you next time.